now this plug, you see that little tag there? See that? GFCI protected outlet. Now that's not a GFI outlet, is it? That's a regular one. That's going to cost me less than $1 to get at the store. And the reason why that tag is on there is because this one over here, when you turn this one, or this one is wired in such a fashion to where it controls that outlet too, okay? And that's why they put that GFCI protected on there. Okay, so if this one ever goes out, let's say this one's not working. You think, what the heck, what do I have to do? You go back to the electrical panel and the breaker's not tripped or anything. Well, it could be just as simple as this was tripped and you just have to reset it. Okay, now if for some reason you can't get that reset, then it might be something else, but you can always check something like that first and see this. I'll bet you this one here is connected with that too. Now that one's got a mirrored cover plate on it, and I'm not seeing any GFCI protected label on there. Let's just try, because usually the ones in the bathroom, okay, I've got that off. Let's see here. Okay, see it's off. This one over here should be off now. Okay. I don't know how you check that exactly. I think that's off. Okay, let's do this. I'm not sure if this one's going to be off or not. Yep, sure enough, it is off. Okay, that's because it's connected over to this. I'm going to press that. Here's the fan going on. This light, let's turn this light on so you can see. Oh, come on. I thought I had that on a second ago. You gonna tell me that just burned out? Oh, mercy me. See? Oh, that's kind of slick. Look at that. Like that. That's kind of cool. Okay, now I'm gonna have to go and get a light because I think that burned out. I'm sure that's connected on there because it's in a bathroom. Usually in a bathroom, when you have your electrical outlets like this, they are connected to a GFI outlet. Now sometimes you might have two little bathrooms and you might only have one GFI in one bathroom and it goes all the way over and hooked up to another electrical outlet in your other bathroom. Or if you can't find your electrical GFIs in your bathroom, where could they be? It could be located in your garage. It could be in a utility closet. It doesn't necessarily have to be right in the bathroom. And then maybe somebody hasn't put little tags on there. Maybe the tag fell off. Because this is just a tag. You could peel this off if you wanted. Okay, those tags come with the GFI, the GFCI electrical outlets. When you get them, usually you look for the little tags. So if you have an adjoining plug outlet that you want connected with your GFI, you can put that on there. Okay. Well, okay, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and replace this bulb and see what happens. I tell you, Motha seems to have all the right stuff in her little closet. I didn't think she would have any of these. Sure enough. There it is, look at that. It's on, off. Okay, I'm gonna turn that on and we're going to go, yeah, isn't that cool? We're gonna go turn this off. So I'm gonna press the test button and that's gonna shut it off. Okay, sure enough, it's off. See there? This is off now. Nothing. Okay, so that one's GFCI protected too, even though, see, there wasn't a label on there. So, we'll set this back on. Get that on. Here you go. And voila. Okay, so my only project I have to do is I got to go to the store and get an electrical outlet there, because this is very difficult to pull out. I'm going to go ahead and change that. I don't like changing these over the counter like that. I'm not left-handed, so it's going to be kind of tricky to do, but I'll get it and I'll show you that when I get back. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more video.